Let's go here. Criminal charges are now filed against two men in the death of a 16-year-old boy at a West Dallas convenience store back in 2012.
Yeah, a clerk and customers stopped Corey Stingley after he was caught shoplifting alcohol. 3 customers held him down at the store at 92nd and Schlinger until police arrived, and by then he was not breathing.
12 News' Nick Bohr covered this story when it first happened in 2012, and Nick, the teen died 2 weeks later.
Right, he never regained consciousness, and for years his father, Craig Stingley, has campaigned for criminal charges. That pressure now paying off with criminal charges.
What do we want? Justice!
Craig Stingley told anyone who would listen his 16-year-old son, Corey, shouldn't have had to pay for shoplifting with his life.
This is a crime against humanity, against all of us. We all have lost something here.
Surveillance video at AJ's Foods in West Dallas in 2012 shows a clerk take the stolen liquor from Corey's backpack as 3 customers tackle the teen to the ground, holding him face down until police arrived. By then, he'd stopped breathing. He died 2 weeks later. But the Milwaukee County District Attorney didn't charge, saying he didn't believe the men would be convicted.
Corey's father was instrumental sort of behind the scenes in trying to push for some level of accountability.
His persistence led a judge to order the Dane County DA to review the case, and after several meetings in a process known as restorative justice, the sides agreed to a resolution. The customers who held Corey down, 67-year-old Robert Beringer of Menominee Falls and 39-year-old Jesse Cole of Waukesha, will plead guilty to felony murder. The third man has since died. The Stingley family agreed the men wouldn't serve jail time. Attorney Anthony Cotton represents Beringer.
He feels terrible about what happened. I mean, I don't ever want to suggest that his anguish is worse than the Stingley family's anguish. They lost someone who they'll never see again, so that's as bad as it can get.
Cotton says the convictions will be vacated after 6 months of community service.
Everybody wanted this to happen. This is an agreement that everybody is on board with, and for good reason. It's been over a decade. Everybody's been living with this, dealing with this. Some people have moved on differently than others. And I think just having finality is important.
You know, Nick, it's hard to believe 13 years later. This agreement, though, will be formalized in court on Thursday.
Right, and the Stingley family will be there. I talked with Craig Stingley this afternoon on the phone. He told me he wasn't ready for an interview, saying, quote, "It's been a long road and I'm just not in a place to talk about it right now." However, he did go on to say that the charges are, quote, "a result of all the work that we put into it," that persistent effort to get justice for his son.
Nick Bohr following this story from the very beginning. Thank you so much, Nick.